Anthony, here's a video to show how to install the arms on the Clairtone. The Clairtone will be shipped with these arms off. The reason is we never want to pick up a Clairtone by those arms, and I'll show you why. Here's your original arms where it snapped. So it's very weak, the small piece that's holding that in. So it's fine to hold the speaker, but it's not fine to carry the Clairtone. So by taking it off, we make sure that the movers will use this or the sides of the body to move the Clairtone and not to damage it. Now, installing the arm is very easy. It's just an RCA connector. So the screw is already going to be ready. So all you do, essentially slide the arm in. Okay. Then you get the torque wrench and install the screw. Okay. Now, when you do put the screw in, you're going to want to tighten it so it doesn't move anymore, okay? But we want it snug. We don't want it over tightened so that it's not damaged. So what I do is usually just tighten it by hand, and then I'll just give it a small amount with the wrench, and that's it. Once that's installed, all you need to do is put the speaker on. And you're set to go.